Hi, my name is Chandu. I am from Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in 2022 in the stream of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Currently, I am working as a software engineer at Unimech Aerospace Manufacturing Private Limited. My dad is a farmer, also a part-time electrician. So I grew up watching him doing electrical works, and it was inspirational for me to opt for triple in my B.Tech. However, in my college days, my professors, my friends, and my well-wishers are advised to choose software field as a career, as it provides immense opportunities in the field of software engineering. So thereby I gave a thought to do an online course in my college days. So in this process I came across NxtWave was one of the best institutions. Initially I was little bit hesitant to join for an online course, so as there are many chances for fraudulent transactions. So after watching the journey of an alumni student named by Vikram, so I got confident that NxtWave is a genuine institution and helps the student how to reach their career goal. Each day few topics get unlocked, so you'll get to learn on those topics and practice them. So this process goes on day by day as the course is divided into multiple topics, so we can learn them easily and we can practice them swiftly. So definitely we can learn them and gain knowledge in the mentioned duration. I didn't have any prior knowledge in coding in my college, so after joining, learning and practicing here, so I improved my knowledge and I got a job opportunity as a software engineer. And I want to mention that you'll get placements until you will land in a job.